Hello friends, day before yesterday the CA Institute came up with draft regulations about CA industrial training. So if you have been following me on this YouTube channel, I have been a vocal advocate of CA industrial training, especially for those students who have not really got a very big brand in terms of articleship or a great learning experience. So now the period of industrial training, which was earlier 9 months to 12 months, is proposed to be increased to 9 months to 18 months. So out of the 3-year articleship period, 1.5 years you can actually serve a company. So with a clear intent that 3/4 of the chartered accountants who graduate every term as chartered accountants end up in industry, this could be a phenomenal reason why you can get experience in industry, because that's where you want to work. Plus from a branding perspective, so let's say you are working for an ITC or an HUL or a Deutsche Bank as compared to a individual partnership firm of CA in your city, definitely that branding adds sheen to your CV. So that's what the draft regulation says. Now the CA Institute has put it in the public domain that what are the suggestions, and finally they're going to give a call to the draft. Also, you can be doing this industrial training not just in India but in any country which is part of the IFAC. So it reads, notwithstanding anything in this regulation, an article assistant may also serve as an industrial training for a period ranging from 6 to 18 months in any foreign country under a member of an accounting body in that country, recognized by the International Federation of Accountants in such a manner as determined by the council. So you can also pursue your industrial training abroad. Not just that, a member with the consent of the industrial training may depute the latter for industrial training for a period of 3 months in any foreign country as may be determined. So for example, if you are joined Hindustan Unilever or a PNG, that kind of an MNC, so like an MBA intern who often gets a chance to work in their London headquarters or the US headquarters, you might as well get a chance of deputation for 3 months within this 18-month period. This could be a game changer in many ways. However, and also the fact that stipend is also higher in industrial training, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000 as compared to articleship stipend. So over a period of 18 months, you have a good chance to prove yourself to your prospective employer that yes, I am fit for absorption. They've got a far greater clarity on your capability. So from that standpoint, I think the enhanced period of industrial training is very, very good for students. The cons here is your, say let's say you're in a mid-sized firm or a big four firm. In industrial training, the quality of the work that you get is normally very monotonous. So let's say you're given an MIS or maybe some weekly reports or some GST returns, taxation. Variety of work in a CA firm which has got considerable work is much better. So for 2 years, if you are in a CA firm, and last 1 year from a branding perspective, from that thappa perspective, you are in a company, it serves a purpose. But now you have to do monotonous work in many ways for 18 months. And the second advantage or a disadvantage, depending on who you are, will be the preparation for CA final. Now preparation for CA final now with the various online media has become far more easier as compared to the yesteryears of our times where we used to go to the classroom of the teacher and study. So for example, Sanket Jain and Shubham Singhal, there are educators on Unacademy. They are going to conduct a session at 8 p.m. on 26th of September, and later you can watch a recorded session on how you can prepare for costing for CA final, a live webinar followed by Q&A and so forth. So the cons here is the fact that if I cannot really prepare for my CA final well within that industrial training ambit, because industry generally the working hours are longer as compared to let's say a proprietorship firm or 2-3 chartered accountant firms. They are generally far more lenient with respect to your work timings. So that becomes one challenge. The monotony of work becomes maybe another challenge. But overall, net, most of the CA students whom I interact with are always very, very unhappy by the fact that they're not getting good exposure, not getting good brand with the CA firms. You'll find LinkedIn with replete with posts that the stipend is not up to the mark, the exposure is not good, the CA firms are exploiting us. So now you can just cut that experience short within 1.5 years, and for the remaining part of your articleship, go for industrial training. So I'm sure that this draft regulations of industrial training is going to augur well for students and usher in another era of ICI reforms, because that's what we all want, you students to succeed and do well in life. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please share it with your near and dear ones, and subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification icon. Thank you.